New York Yankees employees now have the opportunity to convert their earnings to Bitcoin as a means of saving. In a new multi-year partnership with Bitcoin technology and investment firm NYDIG, the American professional baseball team will have NYDIG as its official Bitcoin payroll system. This will give the employees of the Yankees the chance to utilize the Bitcoin savings plan introduced by NYDIG. NYDIG research showed that 36% of employees under 30 are interested in the BSP. NYDIG announced the partnership on July 14. Speaking on the matter, Kelly Brewster, Chief Marketing Officer at NYDIG, said, "We're proud to partner with our hometown team and an iconic sports franchise, the Yankees, to further our mission of bringing Bitcoin to all." The Bitcoin Savings Plan is an initiative introduced to employees of firms affiliated with NYDIG. It allows the employees to convert a proportion of their earnings to BTC on the NYDIG platform. Transaction and storage fees are waived, making the process cost-free for interested employees.